Hello and welcome to this USC Libraries tutorial. The USC Digital Library offers digital images of drawings, illuminated manuscripts, maps, photographs, posters, prints, rare illustrated books, as well as audio and video recordings from USC and collaborating institutions. Encompassing the subject strengths of the vast collections of the libraries at the University of Southern California, these materials represent the applied sciences, fine and decorative arts, history, performing arts, and social sciences. This tutorial is aimed at teaching you how to download and purchase images. You can download low-resolution images for personal research purposes, or you can purchase high-resolution images and obtain permission to use them for publication or commercial use, such as in books or articles. If you are interested in doing basic searches or advanced searches in the digital library, we have created separate tutorials for this purpose. Note that downloading an image from the digital library gives you a low-resolution image that is only for personal use. Later in this tutorial, we will cover how to purchase a high-resolution image that can be used for commercial or publishing purposes. Pull up the image you want to download. At the top right corner, you will see a red button marked Download. Clicking this button gives you three size options: small, medium, or large. Click the option that works best for your purposes. The image will automatically download onto your computer in a JPEG file. If the record you are looking at contains multiple images, you will need to download each image separately. If you want to use an image for commercial or publishing purposes, you will need to purchase the image. On the image page, next to the download button, you will see a buy button. Click this and it will give you the option of prints and downloads. Choosing this option will take you to the digital library store. To the left of the image are four options: downloads, paper prints, wall art, and keepsakes. Expand the Downloads tab to see your two digital download options, one for a personal photo license, which costs $25 per image, and one for a commercial photo license, which costs $100 per image. As the name implies, the personal photo license is for personal use, often used when patrons want to print out and frame an image. The personal photo license allows for a high-resolution download, unlike the low-resolution downloads that can be taken for free from the main record page as described earlier in this tutorial. The commercial photo license is for commercial projects that may involve the high-resolution image being used in a documentary or being published in a book or article. Click on the type of license that is right for your purposes and then click Add to Cart. You can choose to either view shopping cart and check out, or continue shopping, which will return you to the four image purchasing options. If you want paper prints, wall art, where an image is printed on canvas or mounted, or keepsakes, where an image is printed on a mug or ceramic tile, you can choose those as well. Once you are ready to check out, you can click View Cart at the bottom of the screen and follow the instructions for completing your purchase. To cite images in the USC Digital Library, look at the right statement on the image page. If the image is USC owned, the standard citation is courtesy of University of Southern California on behalf of the USC Library's Special Collections. If the image is owned by another institution, but is hosted on the USC Digital Library catalog, like this image, which is part of the Green and Green archive at the Huntington Library Art Collections and Botanical Gardens, you will need to contact the other institution to purchase the image license and learn how to cite the image correctly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on downloading and purchasing images from the USC Digital Library. If you are interested in learning about basic and advanced search techniques for finding images in the digital library, see our other tutorials. Thank you.